In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a document to multiple recipients in DocuSign step by step. Whether you need signatures from 2 people or 10, this method makes it simple and organized. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your document, add multiple recipients, assign signature fields, and send everything out correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the DocuSign home dashboard, where you can manage and send envelopes. From the dashboard, click on Start. This will begin the process of creating a new envelope. DocuSign calls each document you send for signature an envelope, so every time you want to collect signatures, this is where you begin. Next, click on Upload. This allows you to add the document that needs to be signed. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, and several other file types. After clicking Upload, choose Desktop if your file is saved on your computer. Then locate your document, select it, and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, you'll see the file attached and ready to be prepared for sending. Now comes the important part, adding multiple recipients. In the Recipient section, fill in the name and email address of your first recipient. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the signing request will be sent. To add another person, click on Add Recipient. A new recipient field will appear. Enter the second person's name and email address. You can continue clicking Add Recipient for as many people as you need. You'll also notice you can set the signing order. If you want everyone to receive the document at the same time, keep them on the same routing order. If one person must sign before the next person receives it, set them in sequential order by adjusting the routing numbers. This is especially useful for contracts that require manager approval before going to a client. After adding all recipients, scroll down to the Message section. Here, add a subject line and a short message. This message will appear in the email notification your recipients receive. Keep it clear and professional, explaining what the document is and what action is required. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the document editor where you assign signature and other required fields to each recipient. At the top of the page, make sure you select the correct recipient from the dropdown before placing fields. This step is very important. If you don't select the right recipient, the signature field might be assigned to the wrong person. Now, from the left-hand panel, drag and drop the signature field onto the document wherever you want that recipient to sign. Resize and position it as needed. Then, if required, drag and drop the initial field to areas where initials are needed, such as the bottom of each page. Next, drag and drop the date sign field to automatically capture the date when the recipient signs the document. This ensures your agreement is properly timestamped. Repeat this process for each recipient by switching between recipients at the top and placing their respective signature, initial, and date fields in the correct spots. Make sure every signer has the necessary fields assigned, otherwise they won't be able to complete the document. Once you've added all required fields for every recipient and double-checked everything, click on Send. DocuSign will immediately send email notifications to your recipients based on the routing order you selected. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document to multiple recipients in DocuSign. It's a simple process once you understand how recipients and fields work together. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step DocuSign tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.